Today we're going to be doing a program on ABC called StoryMaker. So the first thing that I want you to think about is your favorite thing from second grade. It could be a favorite memory of something that happened in your classroom. It could be a favorite memory of a field trip you went on. It could be a favorite memory of something in one of your special area classes. It could be your favorite thing that you learned about this year, but we're talking at school, not at home. It could even be your favorite memory of something on the playground, because that is at school, but not something that happened this year at home. A school favorite memory. So the first thing you're going to do is draw a picture of that memory. You have your different tools down here. You have your different colors. You have your eraser. So I'm going to draw something. But this is not a drawing. You know that I do not expect it to be perfect, but I do expect you to try. If I need to erase just a little bit, I have my eraser, but that's a little too hard. So since I haven't really done anything, I'm just going to click the X and clear it off and start again. So then I'm going to get whatever brush or pencil or marker that I want, and I'm going to draw something. So maybe one of my favorite memories was playing outside on the playground. I don't know. So maybe it has something to do with the slide, and there's person on it. Now, I'm not trying super hard here because I don't want to spend all the time showing you what to do. I want you to have time to do it. But I'm going to draw my picture, taking my time making it look good. Scribble Scrabble is not acceptable. Once I am done drawing my picture of my favorite memory, I'm going to click on the A. Now I'm going to write a sentence or two about what that favorite memory was. Now when we write sentences, we start with capital letters. So we hold down Shift and we write a capital letter at the beginning. So my space between words favorite memory is playing on the playground. And sentences have a period or some kind of punctuation mark at the end. Once I've written my couple of sentences about what my picture was and my favorite memory, then I'm going to click on the green part and it puts it all together. Now you can't write too much because it has to fit on these lines. It won't add more lines. Once you have finished drawing your picture and writing your words, and you've clicked on the green box, you're going to let me know. Actually, if you want to write more, sorry, I forgot. If you want to write more, there is a little plus sign where you can't add a page. So if you do need to write more, you do have that. But then you have another area to draw a picture. So you can do that. I forgot about that. But you need to let me know when you get to this part and you think you are finished. We might print out a few of them. But you have to have done a good job and not just scribbled and rushed through it for me to be able to print it. If you raise your hand that you're finished and I come over and I check you, then you can go up to the second grade area and you can pick something to play. But that is only after this is finished and you have let me see it.